Okay, welcome to Adobe Audition. We're going to look at an audio file here in the multi-track session. Let's start with a blank screen. We're just going to look at some shortcut keys. We're not going to necessarily play this audio file, but here it is. If we were to look at shortcut keys that we have established, you should have a bunch of them. I'm going to show you just one more. So here's the shortcut key setup. We did that by going to File, and shortcut keys here, keyboard shortcuts, which is grayed out because I'm in it. So here are the shortcut keys we should have: S for split, D for delete, C for block color, or what's known as clip group color. There's X to mute the track. There's A to mix down everything in the session. There's also M to mix down just what you've highlighted in the session. There's V to adjust the volume, which is called clip gain. There's hard limiting, which we'll show you in just a moment. And then there's going to be one more we're going to show you, which is normalize. So normalize, what we want to do is we're going to go, and I think it may already be in there as a default. So normalize, process, here it is, and it's already the letter N. So it normalizes the waveform. So you would just take normalize and drag it there, but like I said, it already looks like it's there. So these are all the key shortcuts that you will need in this project.